Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. All right, moving on. This is why
So
Uber...
it accelerated?
No, we're going to the next topic.
Oh.
Okay, this is why Uber and Lyft... This is why Uber... Are you okay? I'm not being mean to you, is he?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, cool. Just checking. The next one. Is your Zoom almost done?
Yeah, there's 6.5 minutes left.
Okay, this is why Uber and Lyft drivers are becoming employees, or potentially becoming employees. Uber, DoorDash plunge after Labor Department proposes change to gig worker classification. The Biden Labor Department released a proposal Tuesday that could make it possible for gig workers to be reclassified as employees rather than contractors. The proposed rule sent stocks of gig companies like DoorDash, Lyft, and Uber down. It comes after a court reinstated a Trump-era rule Biden's Labor Department tried to block that would have made it easier to classify gig workers as contractors. Look at the Uber CEO. He is in shock. Here, I'll let you read that once it loads. But yeah, basically, okay. Like I was saying earlier, Uber, what's it called? There's so many Uber drivers and gig drivers out there. I mean, there's millions in the United States. And this also isn't only for like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. It's also for people who basically for any company that hires these contract workers. And they're dependent on them, without they're the main part of the business. It's like if a nail salon, they hire a bunch of nail salon people, whatever, and they're just paying them out as 1099. Those people should technically be employees. That's what this new law says. So
okay.
It's or if
that makes sense.
I don't even know. Let's say a newspaper company hires out newspaper boys, and they're running all the routes all day long. And they're just contract, but also they're kind of important to the business. Without them, who's going to deliver the day? Literally, the main part of a newspaper is so it gets delivered.
Yeah.
So, anyways. That's kind of where the direction they're headed from. So you want to read this real quick?
Yeah, just from the top.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Biden Labor Department released a proposal Tuesday that could pave the way for regulators and courts to reclassify gig workers as employees rather than independent contractors. So the proposed rule, if adopted, could raise costs for companies like Lyft, Uber, Instacart, and DoorDash that rely on contract workers to pick up shifts on their own schedules. Shares of Lyft fell 12% on Tuesday, while Uber dropped 10.4% and DoorDash shed 6%. The companies have argued that flexible schedules are attractive to workers, pointing to surveys showing the popularity of the model, which they say is made possible by the use of independent contractor status. Some labor experts and activists have disagreed, however, saying the companies use the contractor model to reduce their own costs while denying workers important protections such as healthcare benefits, overtime pay, and the ability to something into unions. Sorry, it's cut off.
I know,
that one word.
Yeah, so basically, guys, this is a proposed rule. It's not in effect yet, but if it does get into effect, this could have astronomical impacts on these companies that really do rely on contract workers for their business model. I don't know. We'll definitely see what happens. We will make plenty of updates videos. probably within the realm of 50 to 100 videos. So you will see our updates on it.
Yeah, that's why you should have post notifications on the
Yeah.
Rideshare Hub.
Yeah, and when we go live. So make sure if you like these live videos, thumbs it up. Click the thumbs up button and make sure you are subscribed.
Yeah. Yeah, this makes sense though. Like, I
Yeah.
think they should do this. to be
Something like that
honest.
at least.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the
Yeah,
next
that
video.
makes sense.
So
Okay.
the next video topic we are looking at is... So the next video we are looking at is how to make $75 per hour as an Uber driver. So there's a way that you can make 75 bucks an hour as an Uber driver.
Mm-hmm.
So firstly, what you need to do is you need to sign up for Work Solo so that you do get guaranteed pay, right? Because because with Work Solo, I mean, essentially what they're gonna do, and I can just show you right here. If you go out and drive for Uber and you're not making a ton of money, you know, you can sign up for these little guaranteed shifts, like this one right here, 10 a.m. Uber, 37 bucks. DoorDash, 11 a.m., 38 bucks an hour. So, and when you do sign up with our link below, you do get $10, which is pretty freaking good if you ask me. I mean, 10 bucks is what? A couple candy bars, large soda, McDonald's breakfast. That's pretty good. Okay, so I wanted
Yeah, that's not bad.
So I wanted